In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn the screensaver on and off on the Samsung Galaxy A15. So first, open the Settings app. Under Settings, scroll and select Display. Next, look for Screensaver in your display settings and tap on that. Here, you should see options in how you can customize your screensaver. You can choose to have colors, and you can also see the preview if you would like. You can choose to have a photo table, and you can customize which photos can appear. You can choose a photo frame. Again, you can customize that, or you can just choose any photo, singular photo, and you can still customize that. But if you wish to have no screensaver, then select the option None, and your device won't have a screensaver. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.